Hello, I'm Sharon. This is from the kitchen of Sharon Flanders, and we're going to make quiche, which I've been making for many years. But over the years, I've made it so it's so simple and so easy. And what I do is I make 3 quiche at a time, and they freeze well. And what I use are, to make the 3, I use 2 egg beaters, 2 big ones. I use some mushrooms. I use, this cream spinach, I get it at Stop and Shop. The big Stop and Shops will carry it, some of the little ones won't, but it's so good. And I split it up in three different plates, pie plates. And I use nice bacon. I just chop it up with the scissor. And then, what else? Did I say the mushrooms? And I use cheddar cheese in it, and then I put the provolone over it. So this is going to take no time at all to just get these 3 together. I have the 3 pie plates. I use, they're different sizes, so when I put them all in the oven at once, the smaller pie plates cook faster. So, and I use a lot of PM on this one because it likes to stick, and this one too. So I have my PM. Hopefully I have enough in here. And I put a lot in this one. And this one. And this one. And plus I have the oven going at 400 degrees. And I don't know, it takes between 30 to 40 minutes. I just keep checking on them, and the smaller ones cook quicker. So I shake this up really good. Okay. And I squirt them. Put more in the big one, eventually. More egg beaters in the big one. And this has no cholesterol and, let me see, no cholesterol and 0 fat, 5 grams of protein, less than 1 gram of carbohydrates. So it's a crustless quiche. So it's very good if you like to eat low carb. Okay, so then I'll put this one in. 1, 2, I'll squirt 3 there. Put a couple there, a couple here, a little bit more. And you can substitute whatever you want. If you don't want to use bacon, you can use ham or go meatless. Then I put the cheese. I put the cheddar cheese. It doesn't matter what order you put it in, but I just kind of layer each of these. I wear gloves. It's just easier, especially when I get to the spinach pie because it's a little sticky. So, and it doesn't matter. I don't use that much bacon. I just, I usually use the Oscar Mayer bacon, this one. And you probably use like half of this little box. This is, how many? 9 to 11 slices. So and then I actually cook them a little bit, and just to make them crispier in the oven, in the microwave. So we got that. And we are going to put, next I'll put the mushrooms. I'll put some mushrooms in here. Okay, just put a few here and there. Use 1 little pack. How many of them? It's 8 ounces of mushrooms. Just kind of move them around. Save a few for the top after I put the provolone cheese on there. And I just kind of swish them around here. All right, and then for the bacon, I use the cooking scissors, and I take a few pieces and just chop them up. Don't have to be perfect, no, just It just tastes really good, all these flavors together. Actually, a couple of people asked me if I would do a video. I feel honored because I'm not a cook. I do things like an assembly line. I'm an efficient person. I'm not like a gourmet cook. So just chop up some. And my cameraman Cheryl Smith is here, and she's doing a great job. Camera woman. Let's put a little more. All right, doing good. The part I don't like is putting the spinach in because it just looks funny. But it's creamed spinach, and it's only like, I think it's a couple of dollars a box, and I get three quiche out of the box. At first I was putting a lot of spinach in it. It doesn't need a whole bunch. Okay, so then I go like that. Then I kind of just stir it in a little bit. This is where the gloves come in, because unless you want spinach between your fingers, which, ugh. Okay. Just mix it up. Then when it bakes, it spreads out too. All right. And seems like a lot of spinach in this one, so I'm just going to move a little bit over here. Okay, so now, am I forgetting anything? No, we're going to put the provolone on. Always seems like I'm forgetting something, but I did put the mushrooms in. Okay. There we go, like that. Oops. And then I have this provolone cheese. You can use any kind of cheese you want, but my family likes the provolone. So what we do is we freeze these, and then we take them out, and we have them for breakfast. My husband takes it to work in the morning, and he takes like a little, one of those Joseph's lavash breads, and he puts he heats up the warm quiche in a big long, like a rectangle. He heats it up here, and then he puts it in the wrap, and he takes it to work and eats it, because he gets to work and he's on the floor running. He doesn't have time to go heat up his sandwich or anything. So, and my little girl Victoria, she loves it too, and which is good for her, because she used to eat like oatmeal in the morning, and that was like high glycemic index type food, and I didn't want her to have like a sugar high and then drop, and then she wants to go lay down. So this is really working out better, I think. All right, and now I'm just going to put a couple of mushrooms, and we'll put it in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes. Some of them come out a little earlier than the 40. And then I'll be back to show you what we got. Okay, I'll see you later.